Hi, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use concatenate. So what is concatenate? It is used to merge one or more cells in one line. So if you're having problems to merge 1 to 2 cells in one line, all you need to know is concatenate. So in this example, I'm going to teach you how to merge this Emilio Aguinaldo, January 23, 1899 and April 1, 1901 in one cell. So you can see in this sheet, you can see that Emilio Aguinaldo is in cell A, and January 23, 1899 is in cell B, and April 1, 1901 is in cell C. And you need to merge or put it in one cell. So all you need to do is makikita natin equals concatenate. You can always use tab 2 and then click your cells like Emilio, concatenate Emilio, comma, Emilio, comma, B and C. You can always put delimiter or add delimiter. So in this video, I didn't put any delimiter, I just use concatenate and comma to press or compress in one cell. So all you need to do is concatenate comma, and we're going to what do you call this, the colon, or what do you call this, the two, I don't know, just that, and none, and then space and comma and C. Makikita natin, diba naka-space? Anything you want na gamitin delimiter, all you have to do is put comma and then yung dalawang quote and yung ilalagay yung delimiter. So for example, Emilio na lagyan natin comma, and yung delimiter natin is yung dash, B and dash and yung C na ika-close natin agad. Yan. So makikita natin yung delimiter natin is yung dash. Pwede din kayong maka-mix and match. So for example, concatenate Emilio, comma, and you put your delimiter. Always use the quotation and space yung ginamit natin dito. Ulitin natin, and then kapag lagay natin ng space, comma, put natin agad yung B, comma, and yung delimiter natin is dash, comma, and yung C, hindi natin na delimiter. So hindi natin dapat may comma dito after yung V2. Okay, so makikita natin yung delimiter natin yung space and yung dash. So, for example, kakopy natin sa another cell. Ang gagawin natin is, gagawin natin to muna. Equals, concatenate, yung Emilio Aguinaldo, comma, yung delimiter mo, quotation, delimiter mo, space, quotation, B, tsaka yung April. Ay, tsaka yung delimiter mo na, tsaka yung April. So, i-close natin agad. So, ito yan. So, pwede nyo gawin yung highlight mo. Copy mo muna yung 2, i-highlight mo. And yan. So, for example, i-paste naman natin siya na mawala na yung formula. Copy natin yan. Control, Alt, B. Paste as values. Yung Control, Alt, V. So, thanks for watching. And for the next video, I'm going to upload about the opposite of concatenate. Thank you.